Good afternoon, guys. I hope you've had a good week. It's Friday here for us, and it's been a bit of a short week. We've just come back from our Easter break. So today and yesterday, Martin has been working on this 2021 Adria Twin Supreme. We see a lot of these panel vans. They're almost classed as a motorhome because you've still got a shower and a toilet and the big double bed in the back there. But the reason why this customer came to us is because we have fitted our front and rear wrong way around. Our front and our rear parking sensors, colour coded at the front and matte black at the rear. We've also fitted 5G now compact Wi-Fi system. We've also on the roof fitted our TV antenna and an Avtex TV, Smart TV with Soundbar. So next stage is we'll show you what we've been doing and a little bit of how we've done it. Right, a little bit about our sensors. We've done lots of videos like this before, so this is just a general run through. Most of the Fiat Ducatos, whether it's the 7 or the 8, come with the matte black rear bumper. And all we do is we use our hole saw to make the holes for the 4 sensors, run the cabling into the vehicle, fit the module so that when the vehicle goes into reverse gear, you then get a beep and then a proximity beeper that will flatline around about 30 centimeters. So you can't really go wrong with these. They're reliable and rugged and they really do work. So now we'll jump around to the front and show you the front part. Front system is slightly different. I mean, even though it's a front and rear parking system that we supply and fit, the two are relatively independent. So the rear will work on its own. But how we cleverly wire this up as well is when you put the vehicle into reverse, we feed that trigger into the front ECU, which will then arm the front segment so that if you are turning or reversing into a spot, these 2 outside sensors become live and give you that read back. Now, these are color coded. A lot of these motorhome camper vans are color coded, so we'll always do our best to match that. And we've got a sensor either side of the number plate and one on the outside edges as well. No audible buzzer on this one, just the color segment display. Now we're going to have a quick look on the roof, show you the TV antenna and also the Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're lucky today because it's one of those days that it's not raining, which is unusual at the moment. But we have got limited space. I mean, to be fair, we've got more space than we do on some motorhome camper vans that we work on. But when it turned up with us yesterday, it didn't have the Wi-Fi antenna or the TV antenna. Now, we've had to be very careful inside because there's limited room. With the fact that we drive on the left-hand side over here on the UK, we don't want to fit these too far the outer edge because of low overhanging branches will then damage this and pull it off. Also, then we need to think about the Wi-Fi, making sure that it's got a good signal for the Wi-Fi connection inside. But as you can see, the reason why people come to Motorhome Retrofits is all about quality. If you want a nice, neat, tidy job, then this is what you've got. All in line, all sealed, all cleaned, and all professionally installed. So now we're going to jump inside and show you the Wi-Fi and the TV working. Right, okay, join me inside and we'll show you the TV and the Wi-Fi all working. Okie dokie, right, so the new soundbar and TV both fitted, nice clean finish as well. This particular bracket was already fitted on this particular vehicle and the bracket then slides out and can turn around as well. This Avtex TV is one of the newer smart TVs. Here's the remote control for it. You've got direct access to loads of things on here, from Netflix, Amazon Prime, Freeview Play, YouTube, and a few others, Disney, because that's just the modern way. Soundbar is also got its own remote control, because if you're not having the TV on, you might be listening to some music. So I'm just going to turn the TV on now. I just stay here armed with this, because the chances are that the volume's going to kick in. We need to keep YouTube happy. That's fine. Right, so this TV is all set up. We are connected to the antenna, the new antenna on the roof. And we've got access to 130 plus channels, plus also some digital radio. So when this customer is out and about, parked up here and abroad, they're going to be able to get some TV reception and also connect to their catch-up TV and stream the film as well. Now also in this cupboard up here, see if the camera's happy with this, we've got the new Wi-Fi system and we've got the TV booster. TV booster controls this and allows for other TVs, as well as a gain control. So if you are in a weaker area, you can just give it a tweak just to give you a slightly better signal. And then up here is the 5G antenna, or sorry, Wi-Fi system with the antenna on the roof. Once the SIM card goes in here, it's going to work beautifully for receiving or connecting to the TV and connecting to other handsets or other devices, iPad, phones, or whatever else, tablets. I shouldn't use iPad. So that's our little comms cupboard in there with our TV reception booster and our Wi-Fi. So we just shut that, zoom back out to the TV. The good thing about the sound bar is every time we fit one of these TVs, we'll fit a sound bar, just because it makes the sound much better. So if you're going to have a TV, go for a sound bar. On the right hand side, you can see the two 12-volt sockets and the TV antenna all plumbed in. We don't have a magic wand. We can't hide these cables, but they are functional. So if you wanted to take the TV off, you can do, but there's also plenty of slack for when the TV moves out and moves around like so. So we're in a 2021 twin Adria Supreme. This customer's had front and rear parking sensors. We've also done the 5G Wi-Fi system, the new amplified TV antenna connected to the smart television from Avtex, and the soundbar. So if you've got a vehicle like this, or if you want some of this or all of this, get in touch through the website link in the bio or through the contact form on our website. Keep subscribing, follow us on social media, and thanks very much, and thanks for watching.